Hi guys, welcome back to Dino TV again on our next video. Okay guys, I'm still explaining to you regarding this personal fountain. Actually, this personal fountain works on two cell battery, and it is a form of releasing your stress. It's a form of releasing your stress, and you can actually listen to the water sound. Those water sound will make you feel relaxed. Okay guys, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and follow on my next coming video. Dino sign off here. Bye bye.